Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dutch Guy's Garage. This episode, not going to be working anything, we're just going to be doing a little bit of talking. I want to talk to you guys about this upcoming weekend. We're going to have probably one of the greatest Aspen Volare meetups that's ever happened in history to this day. So, everyone knows that our Super Coupe, we road race that car, we autocross it, we do all that fun stuff. And everybody's kind of, if you've been a part of the channel, you've been watching that over the years and how the car's developed more and more and more. Well, this weekend is going to be kind of a big deal in terms of that. There's three of us that are really heavy in the Aspen Volare world that do road racing and autocross all the time. So we've been trying to get together. We all live in different states and nothing's ever really planned out except for this weekend. So we are going to be having the three biggest Aspen Volare road race cars all together at one event where we're road racing together in the track that's pretty much in my backyard. So sounds like a pretty darn good time. So just wanted to put this video out there, get a little hype on it. It's going to be this Sunday, so hopefully have the video edited out, and probably I'd like to get it out by next Monday. We've got a photographer coming out and all kinds of cool stuff. So all the trees are in full color right now, so it's going to make for a beautiful backdrop for videoing. We'll do a little intro on all the cars and whatnot, but I'm very, very excited for this because it's been years in the making trying to get us all together, and it's going to be a good time. So I don't know who's going to place first and who's going to place last, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be very fun. Right now there's 85 cars racing that day, and we are the three. So pretty exciting, and as far as the Aspen Volare world, getting these guys all together. So look forward to that, guys. We are going to have a fun-filled weekend of some camaraderie and making sure all three cars are ready. Super Coupe's ready. So it's going to be fun. So look forward to that. Just give you guys a small update. And as always, this is Dutch Guy's Garage. They don't move until you do.